Welcome to this guide on transfer learning strategies. In the world of generative AI, building models from scratch is rarely the most efficient path. Today, we will explore how we can leverage pre-trained knowledge to adapt powerful models across different domains and tasks, saving both time and computational resources. So, what exactly is transfer learning? Simply put, it is a technique where a machine learning model developed for a specific first task is reused as the starting point for a model on a second task. Instead of training a neural network from a blank slate with random weights, we build upon the patterns and features it has already learned. Let's compare the traditional approach with transfer learning. In traditional machine learning, every time you have a new task, you gather a dataset and train a model from scratch. It is isolated. With transfer learning, we take the knowledge, or weights, from a model trained on task A and transfer it to task B. This usually results in much faster training and higher performance, even with less data. Think of it like learning to ride a motorcycle. If you already know how to ride a bicycle, you don't need to relearn how to balance or steer. You transfer that fundamental knowledge to the motorcycle and only focus on learning the new mechanics, like the throttle and gears. That is exactly how models transfer feature knowledge. There are two main strategies to apply this. The first is feature extraction. Here, we take a pre-trained model and freeze its weights, meaning we lock them so they don't change. We treat this frozen model as a feature extractor that identifies shapes or grammar. We then add a new, small layer on top, called a head, and train only that new layer on our specific dataset. The second strategy is fine-tuning. This is a more advanced approach where we unfreeze some or all of the layers of the pre-trained model. We then continue the training process on our new data with a very low learning rate. This gently updates the model's weights, allowing it to adjust its deep intuition to fit the specific nuances of our new problem. The success of transfer learning relies on strong foundation models. In computer vision, models like VGG16 or RaiseNet, trained on millions of images, are standard. In natural language processing, giants like BERT, GPT, and Llama are trained on massive text corpora like Wikipedia and the Internet, giving them a broad understanding of language structure before you even start your specific task. Let's look at a practical example of domain adaptation. Imagine we start with a source domain, like a general English model that understands basic grammar. We want to apply this to a target domain, like legal contracts. By combining the general model with specific legal data, we create an adapted model. Let's call it Legal GPT, which is now an expert at understanding court cases and legal jargon. It is not always smooth sailing, however. One risk is negative transfer, where the source and target tasks are so different that the pre-trained knowledge actually confuses the model. Another is catastrophic forgetting, particularly during fine-tuning, where the model becomes so focused on the new data that it forgets the general knowledge it learned originally. To summarize, remember these key points. Do not reinvent the wheel. Use pre-trained models whenever possible. Use feature extraction when you have small datasets, and fine-tuning when you need maximum performance and have more data. Finally, remember that domain adaptation is the secret weapon for specialized industries. Thank you for joining this overview of transfer learning strategies. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more content on generative AI and machine learning. Now, go out there and start building smarter, more efficient models.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.